Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. So the first thing that we want to do is go into our settings here on our phone, and we will just search for offload, and we want to click on this offload unused apps. So here it's going to show us a list of all of the applications, and we'll just find Roblox. So just click on Roblox and then offload app. And offloading Roblox will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So this is very important. Just click on offload app. Now after we have offloaded it, we can reinstall this. So just click on reinstall and it's going to reinstall and it's going to save your account and everything. So if that doesn't work for you, if you still get error 268, then what you have to do is actually wait. So if you play Roblox for more than 45 minutes, then you will get an error message saying 268. Basically all you have to do is just wait 1 hour and then you will be able to play Roblox again. Now this happens because Roblox doesn't want you to spend too much time playing the game, and that's why you get this error. And basically if you wait just 1 hour, you will be good to play again. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.